Okay, today we've got a 1962 big valve super rocket BSA. Not a common as dirt machine. A lot of these are used to make some sort of a rocket Gold Star copy because there's very little difference. This one I restored from a wreck that came from New York. It was seriously tired, and that's putting it mildly, but it's come up really well. The engine in these things is a Rocket Gold Star engine, the same cams, everything else is the same. Pretty much the only difference for the Rocket Gold Star on these is the frame. This has the duplex frame, whereas the Rocket Gold Star has the original sort of single cylinder Goldie frame, but with the little kink taken out and those little things. But yeah, if you want to copy one up, it's not that hard if you've got some idea what you're about. This one, mostly it's standard. The things I have changed, which is your guards, your front and rear guards, the Siamese exhaust and so on. They were all sort of optional things in the day, so you could do them. And there's a few things I've done that I just wanted to. Like you got the nice P700 headlight there. I've put in some Eddie Dow front suspension inside the forks. As you can see, there's the Siamese exhaust. Got the Eddie Dow style oil lines going to the rocket cover. Got an Alton alternator, so she's running 12 volts there and lots of watts, which is good. Upgraded the clutch inside there, so that's real good. Motor's fresh, Maggie's fresh, original monoblock carby. Now the paint colour is the original Chinese red. Fortunately, inside the toolbox was as fresh as the day it was put on, so we're able to colour match that and get a great outcome. It just looks absolutely stunning. The seat's a cover I bought from Leighton's and foam, and I really like their work. It's gorgeous, and as is the big tank. One thing you might notice on these, that I don't know whether I can get that, but the instruments show 140 mile an hour. That was only available on the big valve super rockets 61 and 62, not on Rocket Gold Stars. They were 120. Another little change I've put on is I've got a Dunstall front brake. Don't let anybody tell you it's a Triumph front brake. It isn't. The outer casting is very similar, but internals and that, it's pure Dunstall. As for the full width hub and all the levers and so on, they're all alloy and so on. The different vent on the front, so that's actually should be a fairly good sort of brake. The original one was more of a hope and hold on sort of a brake, you know. So anyway, we just give you a bit more of a view of the old girl. Got a 2-inch outlet Goldie muffler because of all that power that she'll be pumping out, and the rims are a flanged alloy rim with stainless steel spokes. But anyway, what I'll do is I'll hand this over to Gary so he can keep a bit of an eye on it, and I'll see if we can kick it over and make it make nice noises. No worries. Well, I'll close off now, but hopefully you've had a little bit of fun. I'm looking forward to doing some miles on it pretty soon.